By-elections on 17 July 2022 were held on 20 constituencies of Punjab Assembly. The PTI won a landslide victory on 15 of those 20 seats in the by-elections, leading to the de facto collapse of Hamza Shahbaz's PML-N-led coalition government. The by-elections were held on these seats: PP7, PP83, PP90, PP97, PP125, PP127, PP140, PP158, PP167, PP168, PP170, PP202, PP217, PP224, PP228, PP237, PP272, PP273, PP282 and PP288. In the 2018 election, 11 of these seats were won by independents and 9 were won by candidates on the PTI ticket. The 11 independents all subsequently joined PTI. The by-elections were caused due to all 20 MPAs voting for Hamza Shahbaz as CM of Punjab, which violated Article 63 of the Constitution of Pakistan according to the Supreme Court and the Election Commission of Pakistan. After the 2018 provincial elections, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf won 159 seats and Pakistan Muslim League won 164 seats. Soon after, 25 out of 30 independents joined PTI, but it was still 2 seats short from the majority of 186. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.